your 4 a.m. video was one of the first few I saw when, just discovering this space and figuring out, how does it go? And let me see a few. And I loved how you shot it and how real it was. And Realign is all about mind, body, soul. And you do so many things for the soul. And that doesn't only include these kind of routines, but even your work, whether it's your travel, whether it's your jewelry brand. So I'm excited to chat with you about everything.
Okay.
So let's begin with your 4 a.m. routine and how consistent have you been with it? I think you released this video a few years ago.
This was in 2021.
2021. So it's been like almost 4 years.
It's been 4 years.
Yeah. So how is it going? And let's chat about your spiritual or connecting factors from 2021 to 2025.
I think the 4 a.m. Routine actually changed a lot of things in my life. It just came out of nowhere. I think the 5 a.m. club is like, people speak about it much more than the 4 a.m. club. 4 a.m. is difficult.
It's tough. So 5 is also tough.
Yeah, of course. But 4 a.m. is tougher.
Yeah, 100%. It's one less hour.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I feel like people know about the 5 a.m. club. I'm like, I've heard about the 5 a.m. club. How do we make it much more difficult? I like challenges. I am that person. So I said, okay, how do we do something that's more challenging? I took up the 4 a.m. challenge and said, okay, how do we go about with this? And it actually put so many things in perspective in terms of, you wake up before the world, that itself feels like an achievement. Nobody's there disturbing you till like 8 or 9 a.m. And you actually get so many things done. You know it.
Yeah.
You do the 5 a.m. routine.
I try as much as possible to wake up as early as possible.
Exactly. Yeah. Like even now, I think during COVID times, it was the best time to practice it because nobody was heading out. It got easier. But now there are so many social things you need to do. You need to head out, meet people. There are events and all of that. So it gets tough. But I feel knowing that it's been your core at one point is very important. And the 4 a.m. routine it aligned my life, realigned a lot of things for that matter. And it gave me an understanding of who I can be more than who I am. And it gave me a very broader perspective on like, you can go beyond this. If, you've been a person who wakes up at 8 a.m. and then it's a small victory, you're waking up at 4 a.m. suddenly before the world, you're reading a book, meditating, working out. I used to go to like a 5 a.m. I'm at the gym. This is in Goa.
Wow.
You're driving in the dark. You start your workout in the dark. It's amazing. Like, I feel everybody should try it. For a certain period of time, for a week, for a day, you can see the difference. Even today, like I really like, I crave to get back to that routine, but it's like, I think I've not craved hard enough. But I'm glad we met today and we're doing this and you've put that back, because there have been like in the past 2 weeks, I've been actually thinking like, what I need. The moment you want to change your life, you do this.
Really?
You want an immediate transformation, you start with the 4 a.m. routine and you can see it in that month. You'll see it happen.
So for the unversed, right? Let's talk about what entails your 4 a.m. routine that you did and what people can take inspiration from to design their own.
I think as soon as you wake up, you need to do something that is very important to you at that moment. So for me, at that period, what was very important was understanding my jewelry brand. So I was reading a lot about crystals, about jewelry, about gemstones and all of that. I did a proper study about all of this. So 1 hour was dedicated to that. Then after some time, I spent the first hour when I wake up into in meditation. So I would do like proper breath work and meditation. I don't do all of that anymore, just being very honest.
Yeah.
And it made me realize there are different things that will actually impact differently to your life, like in the best way possible, obviously. So I did like the first hour of reading, like reading a book, and it doesn't have to be a self-help book. It can be any book. You just need to be very present in the moment is what I think. And your first hour is very important. So that has to be like very something you want to prioritize for that phase of life. So I did that. then consuming, I think mentally you're reading something, consuming something that's nice. So not your coffee that, you know, wakes you up in that manner, but something that actually calms you down and charges you for the day in a different manner. So maybe like a hot cup of water, very basic, you know, something like that. Very simple morning routine I had. I mean, then I would go and work out because I like to get my workout in the first 2-3 hours as I wake up, and it would just charge me. And then I would go for a morning walk in Goa. So I would head out just before sunrise, and this was just before the rains when I'd started this routine. So Goa would turn into some different crazy landscape. You know, the skies used to be pink, red, mix of pink and red, and I have those pictures, you know.
Yeah, we'll insert them.
Yes,
as
and
videos.
I was like, what is this?
Yeah.
You know, coconut trees, and I'm looking at this landscape, and there's nature all around me. There's dogs running with me, and you know, every area I had these dogs, different dogs every area, and they would walk with me. There were some dogs that would walk with me throughout my walk in the morning. So, you know, waking up mentally, you're doing your reading, and physically you're walking, you're connecting with nature. Then I would do some grounding. You know what grounding is? Like you just remove your chappals and you walk like
grass
on wet grass. There's dew on the grass, and I'm walking on it. And you know, like then I go for a workout to come back and like have your breakfast. You've got so much out of the way already, and then I'm like ready for the day, you know. And by sunset, like you're already sleepy because you have to sleep. And then I used to try finishing my meals also before the sunset. It was a great routine. That was the best time of life, I can say.